Recently, many people will ask me these questions. Is SEO dead? Is SEO still working? If you try to Google this sentence, is SEO dead? Probably you will find a lot of results. Some people will say yes, some people will say no. So what is the true answer for these questions? Hi, I'm Andreas from Cleverus Consulting, and today I'm here to discuss this controversial topic. Is SEO dead? Before I start the topic, I would like to talk about some basics of SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is a practice to increase the quality and the quantity of traffic to your website so that people can search your website easily on Google. In the past decades, many people like SEO because it is very easy and less competitive. But there is a lot of changes of SEO from the past until now. For example, the Google algorithm is getting stricter, the market is getting saturated, and the result is not long last, and more. Some people may have the wrong concept of SEO as well. For example, people may think that it is very easy to get penalty from Google if they start SEO. But for my answer for this topic is no. I don't think that SEO is dead. Of course, there are a few points that I'm going to stress out to withstand my opinion. There is a lot of changes of Google algorithm in these few years, so that many people will feel quite confusing and hard to adapt. For example, a few years ago, Google algorithm is quite shaky and not stable, which allowed the SEO practice that are spamming, hero stuffing, and low quality content with many links. So that many people will feel SEO is quite easy because they don't have to think any creative or unique contents. After Google has updated Penguin and Panda algorithm, they are getting more stricter as they need to ensure the effectiveness of SEO. So they require the content to be more high quality and relevant. So that many people will feel that SEO is getting harder and they will say SEO instead. It is true that Google has become more stricter, but if you are able to follow the instruction that's stated by the algorithm, I believe your website will be ranked higher position as well. Some people may think that SEO may need to spend some money to purchase the tools and resources to rank their website, and it takes longer time. And Google AdWords are able to rank their website as well if they spend some of the money and it takes shorter time. Since both of the methods are spending money, why don't we choose Google AdWords? Here's the thing I'm going to tell you. SEO and Google AdWords are different. Yes, it is true that Google AdWords are able to rank a website faster than SEO, but it is just only temporarily, because your website will no longer to rank higher positions if the advertising period is over. However, SEO may not able to help you to rank higher positions at the beginning, but it can help you to increase the quality of the website slowly and help you to rank higher positions in the future. So if you are looking for a long-term progress, you are able to choose SEO. But if you are looking for a short-term progress, you can choose Google AdWords. Many people will ask these questions. Why do I need SEO if I can get traffic from social media? Well, I will say it is depending on the nature of your business. For example, if you are conducting a business like e-commerce or any business with B2C, then social media could be a good traffic source for you, because you are able to reach your target customer easily by specifically target their interests, age, gender, and etc. Besides, if your product or marketing are creative enough, there is a chances that your product or services become viral by itself. However, usually social media works well for a product or services with a lower price range. It is hard for you to sell a product or services with a higher price range through social media channel. Of course, there is always some exceptional cases. If the nature of your business is B2B or any high-range product, then it's recommended for you to choose SEO, as the value of your product and service is much more higher, so most of the people will go to Google to search more details and find a trustable service provider. That's why SEO is much more important for you to reach your target customer when they search online. And SEO has a higher conversion rate than social media because most of them has a real intention to purchase the product and service. After stated all the opinions of mine, so what's your answer now? Please kindly leave the comment below to let us know about your opinions. Don't forget to like and share these videos to your friends. There are more SEO videos are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.